Isn't science incredible? All around us, the world is changing faster than ever before. Think about it. Not too long ago, the idea of carrying a supercomputer in your pocket seemed like science fiction. Now we can't imagine living without our smartphones. Human curiosity drives innovation, desire to solve problems, exploring new frontiers, making our lives better, safer, and more efficient. Science in action every single day, all over the globe. Technology is the engine reshaping our reality. This forward momentum isn't slowing down. It's accelerating. By 2040, many industries will look completely different. We're passengers on a high-speed train into the future. The view outside is transforming before our very eyes. We're in a remarkable era of discovery and invention. These seeds will grow into technologies that will reinvent how we travel, heal, work, and play. Put on your thinking cap and safety goggles. We're heading into the not-so-distant future. We'll explore 10 key areas science will turn upside down. This isn't just a thought experiment. It's a preview of the world our children will inherit, and the world we will help build. Understanding these changes is the first step to steering progress for everyone. Are you ready? Let's consider the following. Not minor tweaks or upgrades. Fundamental shifts powered by artificial intelligence, robotics, biotechnology, and renewable energy. Imagine traffic jams are a distant memory. Imagine your doctor predicting illness before you feel sick. This is the kind of future we're heading toward. Built on data, powered by clean energy, connected in ways we can barely fathom today. Let's dive in and see what's coming. First up, let's talk about how we get from point A to point B. Transportation is on the brink of a massive revolution. By 2040, the sight of a person actively driving a car on a highway might be rare. These vehicles will use sensors, cameras, and powerful AI to navigate more safely than any human ever could. Imagine working, reading, or even napping during your commute while your car handles the driving. This will free up so much time. Smart cars will communicate with each other, creating seamless traffic flow that eliminates jams and reduces accidents by up to 90%. Most vehicles will be electric. By 2040, charging stations will be as common as gas stations, with longer ranges and faster charging times. Think about the skies too. Urban air mobility means flying taxis could become part of our cityscapes. Companies are testing prototypes that could whisk you across the city in minutes, flying over traffic below. While it might sound like the Jetsons, the technology is developing rapidly. By 2040, hopping in an air taxi for a crosstown trip might be a real and affordable option for many people. Public transportation will also transform with autonomous buses, trains, and on-demand shuttles that can be summoned with an app, making transit more convenient, reliable, and accessible to everyone. Now, let's consider our health. The world of healthcare is about to get a major upgrade. Predictive, personalized, and proactive. By 2040, your doctor's visit might start before you feel sick. Wearable devices will continuously monitor your vital signs, sleep patterns, blood glucose, and more. AI algorithms will analyze that constant data stream to detect the earliest signs of potential health issues, allowing intervention before conditions become serious. This is personalized medicine, healthcare tailored specifically to your genes, lifestyle, and unique body chemistry. As genetic sequencing costs fall, doctors can analyze your DNA to understand disease risk and determine which medications work best for you. Surgery will look very different. By 2040, robotic-assisted surgery will be far more advanced, using AI and augmented reality. A surgeon might operate precise robotic arms from a console, maybe even from a different city, viewing 3D models overlaid with real-time data. 3D printing will play a huge role. Pharmacies might print pills on demand, combining multiple medications into personalized doses. Researchers are working on 3D printing living tissues and organs. While printing a complex organ like a heart may still be on the horizon, skin grafts, cartilage, and blood vessels could become reality, revolutionizing reconstructive surgery and reducing donor wait lists. Robots don't get tired, their hands are steadier than humans, making complex procedures safer and more successful. Everything we do requires energy. How we get that energy is undergoing a fundamental shift. By 2040, our world will be powered much more cleanly and sustainably. The transition away from fossil fuels will be well underway, with renewable energy sources taking center stage. Solar and wind power costs have been plummeting and will continue falling, making them the cheapest sources of new electricity. The big challenge is intermittency. The sun doesn't always shine, and wind doesn't always blow. That's where energy storage comes in. By 2040, massive grid-scale batteries will store excess energy and release it when needed, keeping power steady 24/7. Our energy grid will become smarter, monitoring flow from power plants through transmission lines to your home appliances, letting utilities manage demand efficiently. And let's not forget nuclear fusion, the same process that powers the sun. It fuses atoms to release enormous energy with very little radioactive waste. While fusion has been challenging to achieve on Earth, scientists are making huge strides. By 2040, we may see the first commercial fusion power plants coming online. That could be a true game-changer for our planet's energy future. Your home could automatically use electricity when it's cheapest, or even sell excess power from rooftop solar back to the grid, turning your house into a mini power plant. It's all about efficiency and control in a clean, connected energy system. The way we grow our food is deeply connected to the health of our planet, and this industry is ripe for transformation. By 2040, agriculture will be much more high-tech and sustainable. We'll see precision agriculture using GPS, sensors, drones, and AI. Drones will fly over fields with special cameras to identify areas needing water, fertilizer, or pest treatment, allowing farmers to apply resources only where needed. Another exciting development is vertical farming. Imagine a skyscraper in the city that's actually a farm, with crops grown in vertically stacked layers under controlled conditions. LED lights mimic the sun, water is recycled in closed-loop systems using up to 95% less water than traditional farming. Our protein sources will become more diverse. We'll see a huge increase in plant-based alternatives that taste, feel, and cook just like real meat. Beyond that, cellular agriculture will be common. Real meat grown from animal cells in clean, controlled cultivators with no animal slaughter required. All these changes will be driven by data. AI will help farmers make better decisions by analyzing weather patterns, soil conditions, and market prices. A farmer might ask their computer when to plant corn for maximum yield, and get answers based on sophisticated predictive models. This digital twin of the farm allows better planning and risk management, leading to a more resilient and productive food system that can feed our growing global population sustainably. It's all about using brainpower to make our food supply smarter. The way we learn, from kindergarten to our professional careers, is set to be completely reimagined. By 2040, the traditional classroom model will be blended with powerful digital tools to create more personalized, engaging, and accessible learning experiences. Education will no longer be one-size-fits-all. AI-powered platforms will adapt to each student's individual pace and style. Virtual and augmented reality will become common classroom tools. Imagine a history class where students take a virtual tour of ancient Rome, or a biology class where students dissect a virtual frog, exploring anatomy in 3D without harming any animals. The role of teachers will evolve. With AI handling routine instruction and grading, teachers will act as mentors, coaches, and guides. They can focus on fostering critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration, skills that are uniquely human and essential for the future. Learning will become a lifelong endeavor. By 2040, education won't stop after you get a degree. With industries changing rapidly, continuous upskilling and reskilling will be essential. Micro-credentials and online courses from top universities will be readily available, allowing people to learn new skills on demand. Your personal AI learning assistant might suggest relevant courses to help you stay current and competitive throughout your entire career. Their role shifts from sage on the stage to guide on the side, a much more impactful way to teach. How we have fun is about to get a lot more immersive and interactive. The entertainment industry by 2040 will blend digital and physical worlds in ways we're only beginning to explore. Video games will evolve into vast, persistent virtual worlds called the metaverse. These will be more than games. They'll be social spaces where you meet friends, attend concerts, shop, and work through a personalized digital avatar. Movies and television will become more interactive. Instead of passively watching, you might influence the plot through branching narratives. Imagine watching a mystery where you choose which clues to follow and which suspect to interrogate. With holographic technology and AR glasses, characters and scenes could appear right in your living room, making you feel part of the action. Live events will offer hybrid experiences. You could attend from home through realistic VR broadcasts, choosing your camera angle or sitting on the 50-yard line. Even entertainment creation will change. AI will become a powerful creative partner, generating music, writing scripts, and creating visual effects. This doesn't make human creativity obsolete. Instead, it empowers individual creators, giving them tools to bring ambitious ideas to life, leading to an explosion of new and diverse forms of art and entertainment. The line between gaming and social networking will blur completely, creating rich shared online experiences that feel incredibly real. AR at live venues could show player stats floating above their heads or display instant replays in your field of view. The way we build our world, our homes, offices, and infrastructure, is one of the oldest industries, but it's finally getting a 21st century makeover. By 2040, construction sites will be much safer, faster, and more efficient, thanks to robotics and automation. We'll see autonomous bulldozers and excavators preparing sites, guided by precise digital plans, with drones monitoring progress and inspecting work. Robotic arms will handle repetitive tasks like bricklaying or welding, working around the clock in any weather. 3D printing will move from small objects to entire buildings. Large-scale printers can extrude concrete layers to build walls in days, not months. This dramatically reduces construction time, labor costs, and material waste. Materials will become smarter and more sustainable. Self-healing concrete that repairs its own cracks and transparent wood that's stronger than glass. Cross-laminated timber will enable wooden skyscrapers that are more environmentally friendly because they sequester carbon. Every building will be designed using a digital twin, a detailed virtual model created before construction begins. This simulates everything from energy efficiency to foot traffic, optimizing design and catching problems early. Once complete, the digital twin connects to real-world sensors, creating a live model for managing maintenance, optimizing energy use, and ensuring efficient operation throughout the building's entire lifespan. By 2040, 3D printing could be common for affordable housing, disaster response, or even Moon and Mars habitats. Get ready for a shopping experience that is hyper-personalized, ultra-convenient, and seamlessly blended between online and physical worlds. By 2040, the retail industry will know what you want before you do. AI algorithms will analyze your past purchases, browsing history, and social media activity for incredibly accurate recommendations. Your smart fridge might automatically add milk to your cart when you're running low. Your digital closet app might suggest a jacket that matches last month's pants. Physical stores won't disappear, they'll transform into experience centers, destinations for discovery and entertainment. Augmented reality mirrors let you try on dozens of outfits virtually. VR headsets let you preview new furniture in your actual living room. The checkout process will become obsolete. Many stores will feature just walk-out technology. Cameras track items you pick up and charge your account as you leave. For online shopping, delivery will become almost instantaneous with autonomous drones and small delivery robots handling local drops. The supply chain will be fully automated. From the moment you click buy, robots take over. Robotic arms pick your item from warehouse shelves, autonomous vehicles transport it to distribution hubs, and drones handle last-mile delivery to your home. The automated logistics network will be faster and more accurate, reducing errors. No more waiting in long lines, no more range anxiety about when your package will arrive. It's a revolution in how we get things, making shopping effortless and efficient. The places where we make things will be almost unrecognizable by 2040. The era of smart factories, Industry 4.0, will be in full swing. These factories will be highly automated with intelligent robots working alongside human experts. Robots won't just do repetitive work, they'll handle complex assembly, adapt to new products on the fly, and use sensors for quality checks. A key technology is the digital twin. Before production, engineers build a virtual replica of the whole line to simulate processes, test layouts, and train robots virtually. Manufacturing becomes flexible and personalized. 3D printing shifts mass production to mass customization. You can order products tailored to your specifications, for example, custom sneakers or car parts. Factories can switch products with a few clicks, making small batches or even single items. The entire supply chain becomes connected and intelligent. Sensors on raw materials, machines, and finished products linked to the Internet of Things. That gives unprecedented visibility and control. Managers can track components from supplier to customer. AI analyzes data to predict maintenance, prevent downtime, or automatically reorder supplies. It creates a seamless, self-regulating system that boosts productivity, improves quality, and raises safety on the factory floor. That automation saves time, saves money, and leads to better products while allowing mass customization at scale. The very concept of going to work will be fundamentally different by 2040. The traditional 9-to-5 in a central office will be a relic for many. Hybrid models will be the norm, working from home part-time, collaborating in physical offices part-time. The office will be repurposed. Less desk work, More hubs for collaboration, team building, and social connection. Remote tools will make us feel more connected than ever. Video calls will be replaced by holographic telepresence and shared VR workspaces. Teams will meet as avatars in virtual conference rooms, interacting with 3D models and writing on virtual whiteboards as if physically together. AI will be our ultimate work assistant, handling tedious administrative tasks and freeing us for creative strategy. A truly global talent pool emerges. Location won't matter. Companies will hire the best person regardless of location. This creates more diverse teams and new regional economic opportunities. Employees get flexibility to live where they want. AI will manage schedules, summarize email chains, transcribe meetings, and draft reports. AI augments rather than replaces human jobs, boosting productivity and freeing uniquely human skills like empathy, critical thinking, and complex problem solving. It's a rebalancing of the work-life equation, enabling people to work from anywhere while staying deeply connected to their teams. Wow! What a ride into the future! As we've seen, the world of 2040 will be a place of incredible technological integration. From self-driving electric cars to personalized medicine, AI-powered farms to virtual workplaces, these changes aren't incremental, they're revolutionary. These 10 industries are just a sample of the broader transformation that will touch every aspect of our lives. The common thread, the power of data, the intelligence of AI, and a global push toward greater sustainability and efficiency. It's science and engineering working together to solve big problems. These transformations promise to make our lives safer, healthier, and more convenient. Imagine a world with fewer car accidents, where diseases are caught early, and we have access to clean, abundant energy. It's a future where technology serves humanity, empowering us to be more creative, connected, and capable than ever before. Of course, with great change comes great responsibility. We'll need to think carefully about data privacy, job displacement due to automation, and ensuring everyone has access to these benefits. It will be up to all of us, scientists, engineers, policymakers, and citizens, to guide this progress thoughtfully and ethically. We need to build a future that is technologically advanced, but also fair, equitable, and just for everyone on this planet we call home. The future isn't something that just happens to us. It's something we all create together, one idea at a time, one innovation at a time. The world of 2040 is being built right now in the labs, workshops, and classrooms of today. It's an exciting time to be alive, to witness this incredible transformation, and to have a hand in shaping the world of tomorrow. The march of science continues, and it's taking us to some truly amazing places. Let's keep exploring.